Hey lovely and gorgeous. Welcome to Simple Dress YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to pick the colors of dresses work well with your skin tone. Unlike wedding dresses, special occasion dresses come in many different colors and styles. If you are shopping for the perfect dress, choosing a color that flatters your skin tone really means a lot. Let us have a close look at the two girls wearing the same dress but in two different colors. The first one is yellow color. Yellow is the brightest color of the visible spectrum, and it is the most noticeable of all colors by the human eye. It means happiness and optimism. It is the color of high energy, enthusiasm, hope and cheerfulness. The second one is purple color. Purple combines the calm stability of blue and the fierce energy of red. The color purple is often associated with royalty, nobility, luxury, power, and ambition. Purple also represents meanings of peace, pride, independence and magic. Here comes the question: how to find the most flattering color to wear. Much like makeup and hair, figuring out what color best flatters starts with your skin tone, which can be grouped into three categories: warm, cool, and neutral. Simply speaking, if your skin wears pink, red or bluish, you have cool skin tone. And silver, gray, emerald and sapphire will be your most flattering. If your skin has a yellow, peachy or golden tinge, you have warm skin tone. Go for brown, ivory and yellow-green. Reds, corals and golds also look stunning. If you have a mix of both, consider yourself lucky. You will look great in everything. No matter what shade you are, never be afraid to shake up your color palette. You should wear whatever helps you feel like your best self. As long as you love it, you will look great. What is your favorite color? Let us know how you think it reflects your style in the comments below.
Hey, it is over. There is nothing here. Go to Simple Dress.